Menu. Menu.
A list of dishes available at a restaurant. A list of dishes available at a restaurant.
Order. Order.
Requesting food or drink from the menu. Requesting food or drink from the menu.
Waiter or waitress. Waiter or waitress.
The person who serves food and drinks. The person who serves food and drinks.
Bill/check. Bill/check.
A statement of money owed for the meal. A statement of money owed for the meal.
Tip. Tip.
Extra money given to the waiter, waitress for good service. Extra money given to the waiter, waitress for good service.
Reservation. Reservation.
Booking a table in advance. Booking a table in advance.
Host, hostess. Host, hostess.
The person who greets and seats customers. The person who greets and seats customers.
Appetizer. Appetizer.
A small dish served before the main meal. A small dish served before the main meal.
Main course. Main course.
The primary dish in a meal. The primary dish in a meal.
Dessert. Dessert.
A sweet dish served at the end of a meal. A sweet dish served at the end of a meal.
Beverage. Beverage.
A drink like water, coffee, or juice. A drink like water, coffee, or juice.
Condiments. Condiments.
Items like ketchup, mustard, or salt added to food. Items like ketchup, mustard, or salt.
Tableware. Tableware.
Plates, glasses, and utensils used for eating. Plates, glasses, and utensils used for eating.
Utensils. Utensils.
Forks, knives, and spoons used for eating.
Napkin. Napkin.
A cloth or paper used to clean hands and mouth. A cloth or paper used to clean hands and mouth.
Chef. Chef.
The person who cooks food in a restaurant. The person who cooks food in a restaurant.
Cuisine. Cuisine.
A style of cooking, e.g., Italian or Chinese. A style of cooking, e.g., Italian or
Buffet. Buffet.
A meal where customers serve themselves. A meal where customers serve themselves.
Specials. Specials.
Dishes prepared for a particular day. Dishes prepared for a particular day.
Allergy. Allergy.
A reaction to certain foods, e.g. nuts or dairy. A reaction to certain foods, e.g.
Takeout/to-go.
Food prepared to eat elsewhere. Food prepared to eat elsewhere.
Refill. Refill.
Getting more of a drink, usually for free.
Side dish. Side dish.
Additional food served with the main course. Additional food served with the main course.
Wait time. Wait time.
The time customers wait for a table or food. The time customers wait for a table or food.
Gratuity. Gratuity.
Another word for a tip, often added automatically. Another word for a tip, often added automatic.
Overcooked. Overcooked.
Food cooked too long and dried out. Food cooked too long and dried out.
Undercooked. Undercooked.
Food not cooked enough. Food not cooked enough.
Portion. Portion.
The amount of food served for one person. The amount of food served for one person.
Complimentary. Complimentary.
Free food or drink offered by the restaurant. Free food or drink offered by the restaurant.
Reservations policy. Reservations policy.
Rules for booking and holding tables.